Here are Maisie and Diego's 8 puppies. They are just turning 4 weeks tomorrow, and first time outside. I would have put them out earlier, but it's just been so hot. But today's not so bad, so I can have the puppies outside in their pen, of course. So yeah, they're adapting. They're a little nervous, first time on the grass, finding their way. They've got their water and their mushy food. They're actually, by the weekend, I am excited. They have teeth, so I'm not going to have to soften it. It's going to be dry kibble by the weekend. Weaning process has started, full swing. So they're getting their bearings. Outside, feels different on the feet, on the paws. Little munchkins. Doing very well. So they're going to be quiet and probably pretty quiet in this video because it's their first time on the grass, exploring. Oh, there we see a good. They're playing. They're little monsters now, little puppies. What a difference 4 weeks makes. Oh, you get to see some play action. They all are very cute. Come here, Maisie. Come here. Come. Mom is, there's Mom, Mother Maisie, and her friend, Lexi, and there's the dad, Diego. Mom is weaning them. She pretty well just jumps in, jumps out, checks on them, and that's about it. Hey guys, they see Mom over there. Yes, you're gonna follow me. Come here, Maisie. Maisie would rather explore. Great job, phenomenal job, eh, Mother Maisie? But now it's time for the puppies to be more independent. So the next video, they'll be a lot more rambunctious. All of them are so cute. Here's Sleepyhead. Who are you? You're Mr. Green Paws, are you? I think you are. He's just half asleep here. Oh, Miss Green Stripes. In sleepy mode. I can change in a minute. I've got the water. Drink lots of water now. Okay. Like I said, they're all on different schedules. So you see, they see Mom over there. Hey, Maisie. Okay, good girl, Maisie. I know, you want Mom. Okay, well, that's it for now.